Okay, we have a TRAK 2-axis CNC manual flatbed lathe, model 1630HSSX, serial number 09DG62508. This machine was new in 2009. It is the HS, which is the high-speed model, which is a 4,000 RPM spindle. It has the TRAK SLX control. You have a 5C collar closer that's on the spindle. 500 RPM right now. 1,000 RPM. $1,500 RPM. He's moving the digital hand wheel in the X-axis, moving the cross slide, and moving the carriage in the Z. He also has a rapid joystick. All right. Machine has a tailstock. Tailstock has a number 5 Morse taper, and it has 6.3 inches of quill travel. All right. Machine also has a cooling system. It can be seen here in our Harrison, New Jersey warehouse. Thank you.